Assalamu alaikum, Pakistan. Dear friends, I hope you all are doing good out there. Today, I'm in Islamabad. Yes, my favorite city, the capital of Pakistan. Amazing city, Islamabad. Capital of Pakistan on the Potwar Plateau, 9 miles northeast of Rawalpindi, the former interim capital. The city's site was chosen by the mission in 1959 after Karachi was found unsuitable as the capital. Construction began in 1961 with an effort to blend traditional Islamic architecture with modern patterns and requirements. Such world-renowned names in town planning and architecture as Konstantínos Doxiádes, Durell Stone, and Gio Ponti have been associated with the city's development. It is a compact city lying at elevations ranging from 1500 to 2000 feet. The second phase of construction ended with completion of Secretariat, Pakistan House, President's House, National Assembly Building, Grand National Mosque, and housing for government officials. The University of Islamabad was established in 1965 and the People's Open University in 1974, later renamed the Allama Iqbal Open University. The war with India in 1971 showed construction temporarily. The urban area is divided into 8 zones: administrative, diplomatic, residential, institutional, industrial, and commercial areas, a green belt, and a national park. It includes an Olympic village and gardens and dairy, poultry, and vegetable farms, as well as such institutions as the Atomic Research Institute and the National Healthcare Center. The name Islamabad was chosen to reflect the country's ideology. The planned capital area of 350 square miles is an expanse of natural terraces and meadows surrounding the city. A further of 1400 square miles of hinterland known as the specified area is subject to planning control, with the Magna Hills 3,000 to 5,000 feet high in the north and northeast. The south portion is an undulating plain. It is drained by the Durell River, on which the Rawal Dam forms a lake holding about 50,000 acre-feet of water. Islamabad is really amazing. Amazing city, amazing capital of Pakistan.